Hello my friends. In this video I will not make any template for Davinci Resolve. Instead I want to say a few things. I have big plans for this channel, and one is making a website where you can download all my templates, backgrounds, transitions, effects, and rest of your videos. I have made a Twitter and Patreon account where you can follow me there. I will be active and share all my work and maybe something extra. I was thinking about live streaming. Would you think this would be a good or bad idea? Please let me know under the video in comment section. I have to thank you for liking and commenting on my videos. It means really a lot. The channel is growing okay, and I really hope I can get 1000 subscribers so I can get more options for creating better content. Please write your ideas or suggestions under the video. I would really appreciate. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.